So today this video is long overdue, and it's sort of momentous as finally, quite a while after we hit that 100k milestone, a package arrived at my door from YouTube. So while this isn't our regular type of content, let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be among the first to watch our upcoming videos. First and foremost though, I want to personally say a big thank you to everyone out there that has hit the subscribe button. I'm sure not everybody watches every single video we make and that I make, and at the end of the day it is just a number, but it's a humbling one nonetheless. I'm very happy that we've reached this figure. Your continued support is helping the channel, and we have some big things planned over the coming 12 to 24 months here and at 9to5google.com. So again, from myself and the rest of the wider team, we want to say thank you for tuning in to each and every upload. But now to the real star of the show. That said though, I actually quickly want to overview just how to get a silver play button, because I'm not sure that many people out there don't know the hoops you have to jump through to get one, as it's not just as simple as hitting that 100k mark, as this video is kind of testament to, and I personally didn't know this ahead of time, hence the delay. So first and foremost, you'll need to have a YouTube account in good standing, and that means with no active copyright strikes on your account or channel, no active or previous violations of YouTube's community guidelines, and no infringements of YouTube's terms of service. Google can refuse to offer you a creator award of any level because of those things, by the way, and I didn't know this ahead of time. Okay, so now those are the basic requirements. Then you'll need an eligibility review, a unique creator award redemption code, and further channel confirmation. None of this happens automatically either, so you'll need to go and apply directly on the YouTube Creator Awards website, where then, after you run around and done everything asked of you, you can then apply for your unique code to actually start the process of getting your physical award. So of course I went through this process around 5 weeks ago, but the actual shipping process took around 8 days from when I received confirmation, and now I have this YouTube labeled box ready to unbox and show you what's inside. So I'll switch cameras and show you exactly what comes in the packaging. So once you flip the lid on the well-packed cardboard box, you've got yourself a congratulations letter from YouTube CEO Susan Wojcicki, which is on a nice piece of card rather than paper. We'll put that though to one side, as clearly the play button is underneath. Popping it out of the box, and it comes in a plastic wrap, and it is much lighter than you might have thought. The play button is apparently made up of 92% nickel, 5% carbon and 2.5% zinc, with some other metals making up the rest, according to a quick Google I did prior to recording this video. Like I said, it's a lot lighter than you would have thought, and at the back there are 2 holes so you can hook this onto the wall when you want to, and the channel name of course is embossed at the front with this shiny YouTube Play logo there too. There are some notices and extras in the box if you do work on a wider team, so you can order awards for yourself, but there isn't anything of note save some more cardboard in that box. So that's really all there is to the packaging of this silver play button. Of course, if you do want to have any questions of your own, then pop them down below and I'll try to answer as many as possible. I'm sure a lot of you are interested if you're anywhere near or you desire to get one of these yourself. But again, this is a thank you video for you. I want to say it really does mean a lot to see people coming back and watching our video content, sometimes multiple times daily. But of course, here's to the next milestone. Let's see if we can get to 150k very soon, and hey, maybe we'll even hit that 1 million mark one day. Again, thank you for coming back to see our regular content, and after this one we will be back to normal. And as always, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you later.